Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 490 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another Dollar Tree makeup product. This is the LA Colors Face Contour and Highlight Duo Pencil. And I picked this up in the shade Fair, and I've tried out a bunch of LA Colors duo pencils. I've tried out lip pencils, eyeshadow pencils, and I love them. And so when I saw that the Dollar Tree had a contour and highlight version, I was very excited, especially because they actually had it in what seems to be my shade. So this says, sculpt shadows, control light, and contour away with an easy to blend creamy duo-sided pencil. Sharpener included. So I love that the sharpener just comes built into the cap. So let me just start out by swatching these shades before I even get into applying them to my face. Ooh, that is creamy. Yeah, that glides on. I barely have to touch it to my skin. Oh my gosh, I did the worst swatching because I have an injury on this hand, so I have to swatch it on my opposite hand, so that's like a terrible job. But I get the idea of the colors. They seem pretty good. Then how they blend out. Ooh, yeah, definitely seem blendable. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I am going to try and contour this face. Wow, I am very impressed by how creamy this is. Let me just start out by doing a little bit, and I'm gonna try blending it with my finger a little bit. Yeah, like that's how easy it is to blend. Like I could totally blend this out completely with my finger. Which I like this technique because then I have a lot of control and precision in where I want it to blend. But then I'm also going to take my dampened sponge and just blend it out that way. Ooh, I really like that. And it looks really good on the skin. It looks very smooth, very natural. And so as for the highlight shade, it doesn't have shimmer, so it's not like the type of highlight that I'm going to put onto the cheekbones, but let's see, maybe as like a, ooh, wrong end, under eye kind of, ooh, yes. This is like a good kind of concealer shade, even like a spot corrector shade. See how this blends out? Not too bad. Let me just go ahead and draw the contours all over the rest of my face. And now I am going to blend all of this out. It's actually very easy to blend because of that nice creamy texture. And I like blending it out with the sponge. I feel like that technique's working really nicely. I definitely think that LA Colors has really nailed this duo pencil type of product. I think it's such a good idea too, so travel friendly. And this is sitting on top of my foundation really nicely too. I'm not having any issues with it moving my foundation. Okay, wow. That was really easy to apply, really easy to blend. I really like the color and how it looks on the skin, so I'm just all around impressed by this $1 product. Like I'm really happy with the definition I was able to add to my face right now. And I just love that LA Colors makes like kind of advanced makeup products, or like, how do I describe it? Like makeup products that really let you keep up with the latest makeup trends and use makeup as an art, I just love that LA Colors makes products like this that are available at the Dollar Tree to anyone at such an affordable price, but you can still get those amazing results and those techniques that are in style and that the high-end brands are doing. I just love how accessible LA Colors makes it, and this is a great example of that, and I love that this is available at the Dollar Tree. And so let me know if you've tried this and what your thoughts are on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.